it's your boy Hezo, and welcome back to another video. I'm glad y'all back with me watching another one. Hey, but before we get started, head back with the normal usual like, comment, subscribe before we do anything special like that. But going to be picking up finally for the truck after having a truck for damn near 2 years. We finally gonna see if we can get a bumper and a tailgate for the truck. So I'm gonna be on my way to go do that. Before I do that, I actually gotta go pick up Sir Skinny from the house because he ain't with me. So I gotta go pick him up. So when we go pick him up, we're gonna go hit the road, and then I'll meet you when we get there. All right, so I got my passenger princess all ready to go. You wanna shout your stuff out?
HBK Lil Joe on the ground. Lil Joe TV on the tube. And the next book. Then we start doing basketball videos. Y'all go find.
All right, so yeah, y'all go ahead and follow my boy on Lil Joe TV. Hit him up, let him know what y'all got going on. All right, but yeah, we going ahead, make our way over there to go pick up our bumper and tailgate, and I go ahead and get more when we get there. All right, we finally made it back home. I ain't do too much recording while I was there because I had to actually get the tailgate off the truck, and that was just a job in of itself. So let me show you the spoils that we got. As you can see, we got our actual full-on bumper with the actual centerpiece skin and the other side, one of the side skins, and that's gonna be going right there to fill in that spot. And then the piece de resistance, the actual tailgate itself, and by the looks of it, it's just a few pieces of rough spots here and there, but to be honest, not too bad. And then we got the actual inner skin of the tailgate that will be covering up that spot right there. So I'm just gonna get it all on. With the test fitted tailgate, I took the brackets, of course, because for some reason the brackets that we got right there is not wanting to work on the actual mounting plate. So I'm gonna have to see what's that going on. But for the most part, not very many gaps. She actually fits. This little test fit that we got. The whole thing, front bumper, tailgate and all, she's still on 30. Come on, there. Got tailgate, everything already on. Don't look half bad. I'm not blinking, just dead out so I can line that up. Okay, she don't look half bad. Now that we got the bumper and tailgate on the truck, it's only, right if we spin the truck unnecessarily. May not be the brightest idea, but let's find out, see what happened.
anything.